Think you know the latest vocabulary in 2025? Let's put your brain to the test. 5 trending words, 5 chances to prove yourself. You've got 5 seconds per word. Let's go! What does prompt fluencer mean? Prompt fluencer means a content creator who gains influence by sharing AI prompt strategies. So, for example, you can say, she's a prompt fluencer on TikTok, teaching people how to write better ChatGPT prompts. Any idea what this blend word means? Sustainovation means innovation focused on sustainability and eco-friendly solutions. An example is, that startup is leading the sustainovation wave with biodegradable tech. Sounds familiar, but what does it mean in 2025? Deplugging means intentionally disconnecting from all digital devices for mental detox. This word is picking up steam with Gen Z and digital minimalists. Like when someone says, "I'm going deplugging this weekend," no phone, no laptop, no stress. You know they're serious about a tech break. What does a workationeer do? A workationeer is a person who combines remote work with constant travel. This one's a vibe for all the digital nomads out there. If someone's posting beach pics on Monday and Zooming on Tuesday, they're probably a workationeer. Can you decode this new buzzword? Mindprint is your unique mental pattern or way of thinking, especially in learning or creativity. Think of it like your brain's fingerprint. For example, some people solve problems visually, others need formulas. That's your mindprint showing up, and it's becoming a big term in education now. As an example, you can say, each student has a different mindprint. Teaching should adapt to that. So, how many words did you actually get right? Be honest. Drop your score in the comments. And if you learned something new today, give this video a like. It helps more than you know. Wanna level up your vocabulary even more? Part 2 is dropping soon, so hit subscribe and turn on that bell. Till then, keep deplugging, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next quiz.